Hi, everybody, and welcome to today's workshop. I want to thank our panelists for graciously giving up their time to talk to you about their experiences and their insights on covering culture and lifestyle.
First, I'll take whatever opportunities come to you and also build a presence online. I could tell you that I first started writing for Complex because an editor reached out to me because she saw my articles about the North Face and the Cut, or I wrote an article like the Polo Bear for some other site, and she was like, "Oh, your articles are very unique and interesting because it's stuff I haven't seen before. Would you like to contribute to Complex?" So I was like, "Okay, sure." And then she told me to apply for a position, and I had to go for 3 rounds of interviews. It was really stressful. I was like, oh my god, this is a really real job, because I've never done that before. The first ever magazine I contributed to, I started writing for in my sophomore year of college, and it was just a graffiti blog, and it was really stupid stuff. It was news posts and things like that, or about it's oh, look at this cool graffiti picture or something like that. It was nothing too serious, but from there it's I never actually applied to any job, just cold emailed or DM people, and I was like, oh, do you have a intern position available? And 85% of the people I messaged never responded to me. But one company called Mass Appeal actually said you could email us here. And when I came in to do an interview for them, they knew that weird blog I wrote for, and they said, oh, I know that blog, you must be cool. So you could come in as an intern, and from
I am constantly on social media, just going through my Explore page, just going through on North Forker's Instagram, I'll go through things that people have tagged us in. So if there's a company that you really like that is writing about things that you want to write about, I think it's helpful to go look at things that they're tagged in, because sometimes they will pick up those stories, because those companies want the journalism company to pick those up. Changing your environment, especially the question on staying creative, being in the office all the time. I was only in the office for 3 months and I still felt this, you just get really bogged down staring at the same thing all the time. And I found it really helpful to go to a coffee shop or go out to a park, and even just overhearing other people's conversations might spark something that you hear.
You shouldn't let the fact that you might not meet all the requirements in a job posting keep you from applying. I've definitely done that in the past. But you have to understand that, everything that they list, they might not get all of that, but if they can get from the 5 things they list, if they can get maybe 4 things, or from the 10 things they list, they can get 7 or 8 things. If you're really good in one area, that might make up for you not having, the amount of experience or stuff like that.